Well, welcome everybody to the small, I guess, village of Dawson, Illinois. We're already in the middle of town, as you can obviously see. Take a quick tour of this small town here. Got the, in front of us you got the railroad tracks that run through town, as well as, well, on the edge of town, and then you have, what is it, Old Route 36, I think? And then a bit farther is Interstate 72. See, the trains like to park on the tracks here. There's the fire station right in front of us. Oh, there's a truck coming that does not have a stop sign. Well, that's pretty good. The car knew that they didn't have a stop sign, I guess. I'm not sure. Or just knew they weren't going to stop. One of the two, at least. As you can see, it's still accelerating too fast. It's spinning the tires, and we're really tailgating this truck here. what it's to. Why it likes, now we're a reasonable distance behind it. I mean, I would assume if the car is right behind the truck, it couldn't even see anything because the camera is basically going to be blocked by the truck. And I assume we're on the truck route in Dawson here. Well, that house looks like it caught on fire on the one. It is very hot. It's 10:30 in the morning and already 90. Heat index is going to be over 100 again today. Let's end this trip and go up here. We'll go this way through town. I don't think we really need a turn signal here, but we're using one anyway. This is the edge of town, as you can see. I forgot to turn on. Hopefully we don't stop on the tracks. This is Old Route 36 here. Oh, we might not be able to cross the tracks here if this train stopped on them. So this might... It looks like the train is stopped on the tracks here, so...
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto North Constant Street. Turn right onto West Main Street.
Let's see what it does here. I'm curious.
Now turn right onto North Constant Street.
See, I don't even think the train is moving. Kind of curious what it'll do here. Okay, it sees it. Well, you can't sit here, car. We're kind of in the middle of the road. If I hit the accelerator, what will it do? It's kind of funny. You don't want it to sit on the tracks there. That's not good. Let's do a quick U-turn and enter the town the other way. What'd you beep at me for? Not even sure. Uh-oh. Are we racing this? I can't tell if this train is moving or not. I don't think it's moving. Or if it is, it's going very slowly.
Turn left onto Walnut Street.
I'm not sure why a train is just, you know, sitting. Well, this truck's just going to sit on the train tracks here.
Left onto Walnut Street.
I don't know what this semi-truck's doing, just sitting on the tracks with a train slowly coming at it.
500 feet, turn left to stay on Walnut Street.
Seems like a poor plan to me, but I guess they can do what they want.
Now turn left to stay on Walnut Street.
Yeah, that train is kind of, I'm not sure why they're just kind of parked blocking the main entrance to the town here, but I guess luckily it's not quite far enough to trigger the arms for the second one.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Ledley Street.
There's that house that looks like it caught on fire, unfortunately.
Now turn right onto Ledley Street.
That looks like a church on the left, or it used to be a church, and now it's a private home, I assume. Don't run over the UPS driver car. That would be bad.
In 500 feet, you will arrive at your destination. In 500 feet, turn left onto Patricia Street.
There's the village park there on the right. Now we'll go to the main downtown. I don't know if you can really call it a downtown, but it really wants me to keep on my hands on the wheel today. Come on, send me that.
500 feet, turn left onto North Constant Street.
You need to send me that 12.1 update. Well, I'm wearing sunglasses, so it wouldn't even do anything, will it? Alright, alright, it did that fine. That was kind of tricky. Or a little non-standard road connection there.
Now turn left onto North Constant Street.
It's a bit windy today. Sustained wind of 16 miles an hour right now from the south. And that train is, of course, still in the way. Need to find a place to take a thumbnail too. There's a Dawson sign across the interstate, or interstate,
Turn left onto West Main Street.
across from where the train is.
Destination will be on the right. Now turn left onto West Main Street.
Yep, that train is definitely not moving at all. Well, there is a sign for Dawson over there, so... No, we can't go that way, car. No, it wants to go through the main entrance, which we obviously cannot do.
Now turn left onto North Lewis Street.
Oh, I'm curious. Let's see if it'll reroute itself around the train here.
Now turn left onto Walnut Street.
We'll see what it does at the train entrance there. See if it can route itself around the train that's... Oh my gosh, what is happening? Why? What? What was wrong there? Now it's fine.
North Constant Street.
That's bizarre. That's the second time that's happened to me. It just randomly freaks out for no reason. Alright, let's see if I can figure this out here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Old Route 36.
Let's see what it does here. I hope it sees that it obviously cannot go through there. I think there's semi-trucks. Is it just gonna sit here? It's not smart enough to figure it out. Okay, let's hit the accelerator, see what it does. Nope. Hit it a bit more. Well, now it's screwed because it's kind of past the point it could turn. Yeah, I think semi-trucks are blocking the road. If I just keep hitting the accelerator, what will it do?
Now turn left onto Old Route 36.
Nope, it's definitely not going to figure it out, is it? On its own. Nope. It will definitely sit there forever. Instead of trying to reroute itself around the train. Well, let's go over to the Village of Dawson sign. I might have to drive manually a bit till it reroutes itself around.
Now turn right onto West Main Street.
So as an experiment, let's take that turn again where
Now turn left onto North Lewis Street.
where autopilot freaked out and shut itself off. Let's see if it'll do it again twice in a row here.
Now turn left onto Walnut Street.
Yeah, it was right here where it freaked out and decided to shut off. Let's see if it'll do it again. No, that time it was perfectly happy.
Now turn left onto North Constant Street.
Of course, we're stuck in this, I would say going in circles, but it's a square forever because then it's just going to get stuck again right here at the train.
500 feet, turn left onto Old Route 36.
See if we can figure it out this time. Okay, it's blocked, car. You got to turn. Nope. Yeah, again, we'll just sit here forever and still... What? Corrective steering applied for my safety. Oh. It gets mad if you don't use a turn signal and turn.
Now turn left onto North Lewis Street.
Alright, well, let's try to get to the sign saying we're in Dawson so I can get a thumbnail, right? Nope, it still wants me to turn around.
Now turn left onto Dudley Street.
Alright, can I engage FSD again? Okay. I guess I can. Alright.
Now turn left onto Locust Street. Now turn right onto Walnut Street.
pretty good at handling the small roads like this.
500 feet, turn right to stay on Walnut Street.
Besides, you know, randomly freaking out and shutting off a second ago, but otherwise it's fine.
Now turn right to stay on Walnut Street.
Yeah, I do not need a turn signal here, but sure, car. Need to get over these tracks before the train moves forward a bit.
Turn
And
right onto Old Route 36.
all right, let's try to find a picture in front of the Dawson sign.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Old Decatur Road.
Look at that train.
Now turn left onto Old Decatur Road.
Do I want to turn here? Where's the sign? I don't think I want to turn here.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto North Constant Street.
There's the sign. Is this a Dawson Village Hall or something? I'm not sure.
Now turn left onto North Constant Street.
Not sure why the sign is here. Can't really get that close to it either. My plan is not working. I'm not sure if this is like a private business or something. It's not even part of Dawson, so why is the sign there? I'll just kind of park like this. It'll work, hopefully. Is that a good angle? I don't know. We'll try it. Alright, well, time to leave Dawson here. Got my amazing thumbnail, which, leave a comment if it's the most amazing thumbnail you've ever seen. And we're actually going to head to Buffalo, Illinois right now, which is a few miles down the road, 2.9 apparently. See if we can beat the train. No, it's still not moving. I guess we're gonna beat it. But yeah, that'll do it for our adventure in Dawson, Illinois. Let me know what you think. FSD only completely failed one time, so things are going perfectly, I guess, right? And I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be in Buffalo, Illinois. So yeah, thanks for